Creating the morphing sequences. You are now ready to create your first morphing sequence. In the timeline view, select your first key drawing. Right-click in Windows or Control-click in Mac OS X and select Morphing, Create Morphing. Repeat the process for each key drawing. You now have 3 morphing sequences. In the playback toolbar, press the play button to see the result. As you probably noticed, there are in-between drawings, but they're not necessarily going the way you want. Your flag probably looks like a piece of cardboard bending instead of smoothly flapping in the wind, and most likely you'll have strange corners and points. All that's because the system is always looking for the closest similar line, corner, or curve to morph the drawing. To fix a morphing sequence, you need to control its behavior with morphing hint points. Hint points associate areas from the key drawings together so that the system knows how to control the drawings. You can control different aspects of your animation. Here we will focus on controlling the contour using contour hint points. In the Tools toolbar, select the Morphing tool. In the Timeline view, select the first key drawing. In the Tool Properties, select the Contour Hint option. In the Camera view, click on the screen to add a new contour hint. Select the hint point and snap it to your flag's contour. Position the hint on a corner to lock it in place. Repeat these steps for all of the corners. Press F4 to switch to the other key drawing. Select the existing hint points and snap them to the corresponding corners. In the first and second key drawings, associate the wind waves so that it will slide to the right instead of up and down. After fixing the corners and waves, there should only be a few details left to fix. Set your hint points on the other morphing sequence in the same way you did for the first one. A morphing sequence is composed of 2 drawings. If you have more than one morphing sequence, you will need to set hint points for each sequence. If a drawing is used in 2 sequences, it will have 2 sets of hints. This hint point associates these 2 corners together and so locks the flag's corner on the spot instead of having it rotating around. This hint point associates these 2 waves together. It makes the wave slide from left to right instead of going up and down as it was originally doing.